HBQ-Z209B plug insertion machine. Swift replacement of accessories makes convenient sheath insertion. Select suitable production formula. Feeding error-proofing design. Start button by hands. Safety grating protection device. Pre-crimping. Alternate operation in A and B area. Roller feeding reduces noise and air consumption. Single hole efficiency for regular materials from 0.72 second. Optional sprinkler head. Achieve insertion maximum for cans of plugs without change modules. Intelligent processing. Flexible housing position. The secondary screen can display all the visual results clearly.